Happy Bookoween! Students at Ladies Island Elementary School showed off their artistic abilities by turning characters from their favorite books into pumpkins. There's a Pete the Cat, Harry Potter, and more.
I picked the Alice in Wonderland book because I liked the concept because it was like Alice, she's in Wonderland with all the different characters that each have their own personalities.
I picked 101 Dalmatians because I love animals so much, and especially dogs. So I thought that would be a great book.
Kids from all grade levels were encouraged to decorate a pumpkin, and one student had to get really creative, making the 101 Dalmatians.
For the mom, I used some rags and I kind of put them onto the pumpkin for the ears, and I used a Sharpie to put some dots on it, and then these little styrofoam balls for the little babies. So basically we used 120 sets of eyes.
Another student used lots of paint to bring his love of Pokemon to life.
I sprayed paint to the top, I painted the bottom, and I had got the glue and just made it as a belt. For the Pokeball, for the whole entire thing, I mostly use Sharpie.
The school has been using this project for several years as a creative way to encourage literacy.
I just think, the concept of thinking about books and who is your favorite character and which book to you use, it's just creating another positive meaning and connection for children with literacy and with just coming to the library.
About 30 students created book character pumpkins at Ladies Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.